Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Phonepe and confirming the correct account is active. Once done, move straight into My Money. You tap Auto Pay or the Payment section to reveal standing instructions. You scan the list and locate the specific merchant or mandate you want to stop. This is critical because canceling the wrong mandate can interrupt service. Make sure the merchant name, amount, and frequency match what you expect so you proceed confidently to the next step. You tap the chosen mandate to open full details. At this point, you're checking amount, frequency, and the next scheduled payment. Once you verify the bank or UPI VPA linked to the mandate, you understand the impact of cancellation. You then locate the Cancel or Stop Auto Pay button, sometimes nested under More Options, and tap it. You will typically see a confirmation prompt. Read it, because it tells you whether the cancellation applies immediately or after the next cycle. You confirm the cancellation when prompted and watch for an immediate on-screen confirmation or SMS. Make sure to note any confirmation ID. Once confirmed, refresh the auto pay list or log out and back in to see the update. If the mandate still appears, check your bank's UPI mandate list or pending mandates in the bank app because sometimes the bank needs to clear it. If issues persist, contact Phonepe support with a screenshot and the confirmation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.